Hey everyone, welcome to my home garage here in Middleton, Florida. I have a unique setup in my cabinet array. I have what's called the R2V setup from Rousseau, where these drawers pull out, and then we have various types of organization systems. This is a Rousseau organization format where they have these little hooks. I find it to be not quite as useful, especially when trying to organize certain types of tools. And so I have a preference at using tool grid in this environment. And so let's talk a little bit about vertical tool grid here today and how you might set something like this up. For most of you, it's going to be a backsplash, or it's going to be, behind your cabinets or on top of your countertop. I don't like to have my tools out and exposed. I like my garage to look sterile and very clean. It's just my preference. But some of you have a utilitarian look, and so doing tool grid in a vertical fashion can help you hold your screwdrivers, your pliers, your wrenches. You could set them up vertically and hang them on the wall, and this would be an example of how you would do it. And so they have several different components. Make sure to go watch the first part of the series where I go into each individual component and we show you close up what they look like. But these have the types of hooks, and actually in this case I have my vacuum accessories stored, and I took my hooks and turned them upside down because it stowed most of my devices here a little bit better. And so the way that you set this up, and I actually would like to make a recommendation to you here. I've screwed this using machine screws to the back of the Rousseau pegboard. It would actually be better. Now, we don't stock this. We can special order for you if you want. But if you're going to do an entire backsplash, my recommendation is that you don't use the 6x6 boards that we recommend for our drawers, that you use the larger format drawers and cut them to fit. And then you would kind of butt them up to one another as you're building your backsplash. But hit us up, design@obsessedgarage.com. We can always special order them. I don't stock them because there's 4 unique, I think maybe, actually there's 5 unique sizes. And we may be able to just drop ship them right from Tool Grid to get them to you. But the disadvantage of doing the smaller boards in this format is I needed to use a lot more screws, and then I just painted them black. So on the vacuum accessories, I used almost exclusively the hook style, and I flipped them almost all upside down to hold all of my individual components. But then you also have the clip-in style, and so notice I have my bike pump here. And so what I did is I used the hook, and then I used the clip, and I'm stowing my end, or my, whatever you call it, my plug, utilizing a clip style. And so these can be very useful in storing, things like air tools, screwdrivers, and again, I have another pump that goes right here that I was using earlier, and it's out here somewhere in the garage. And so the vertical storage, you can see what tends to happen when you do the 6-inch boards, they want to sort of split apart. So my recommendation, again, would be, it can work, you just need to use more screws. But this vertical stuff, I mean, let's take a look at this completed thing. I mean, that looks pretty darn cool. And so mounting it on your backsplash, I think it'd look really cool with all your screwdrivers and hardware and all of that. So the vertical stuff, really, you're utilizing 2 or 3 different types of components. We also have translucent label holders as well, so you can still do the labels to organize and delineate which tool is which and which location is which if you were doing things like wrenches on the wall. Anyway, hit us up at obsessedgarage.com, and we'd love to help you. You can get all this stuff. Links are in the description. Get it from us. It really helps us. Make sure you subscribe here to the How-To channel, and make sure you subscribe to Obsessed Garage and my personal vlog, the Matt Mormon channel. Vertical tool grid can organize your life, take it to the next level, and I think it's a microcosm. If your vacuum accessories are this organized, your finances are dialed, your pantry's dialed, your life is dialed. And I hope that something like this could make sense in the future to help organize your garage. Hit us up if we can help. Thanks for watching.